How to remove status in WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up WhatsApp. And once you do that, navigate to the status section, and here you will be able to find your status, and next to it there's three dots. Click on them. Once you do that, you will get to this page right here where you will need to click on the three dots next to your status again, and once you do that you will get this pop-up menu list right here, from which you want to click on the last option that says delete. As soon as you do that, you will get this pop-up window that asks you, are you sure you want to do that? Click on delete to confirm. And once you do that, you will see that your status has been removed. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete WhatsApp status. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.